So today we're going to change a black and white photo into a color photo. So in order to do that, first of all, I'm going to go to File on my Photoshop application, click on Open, and then choose the photo from my desktop. So let me just open that out right here. This is a photo of my dad when he was in high school. So this was in black and white, and what I want to do is change it into color. So let's get ahead and start changing this into color over here. So for that, first of all, I'm going to crop this picture out so that I get rid of the edges right here, just like this, and press enter right there. Let me just go on to cropping out again and then crop out the top as well, just like that, and there you go. So now what I want to do is change out the contrast. So this is a bit on the green side if you were to see the photo. So I'm just going to go to levels right here and then change this around. First of all, increase out the contrast, and you can see that that is how it looks like. I can go around, range out the contrast just like that. There you go. The contrast is much more better now. So just like this, there you go. So now what I can do is I can go around. I'm just going to go and then change around the colors. I'm going to do a selection of my father's face right here. So I'm just going to go around and then select this out. So what I'm going to do is go around onto, let's say, for example, this one, the lasso tool, and select around the face right here, just like this, and then select this around. All right, so this is the face. There's very less number of components in this picture, so it is going to be quite easy to edit this out. So anyways, I'm just going to go around and duplicate out this layer. So I'm just going to say layer via copy right here. So a layer of the face is there. So I'm going to go around into image, adjustments, and then I'm going to go to Hue and Saturation and colorize. So you can see that there's a color over there. So I'm just going to change it around into skin color, just like this. This is around the skin color right here, over here. And then there you go. There is it. I can increase and decrease the saturation of the face as well, just like that. So once I do that, I'm going to press OK and then erase the extra bits out right here. So I'm just going to go around and then erase this part out. I'm going to increase out the size of the brush, erase the hair part out just like that. So just gonna erase that out as well, erase this, and there you go. Erase the ears, and there you go. And erase that out as well. Just gonna erase this, erase this. I'm going to decrease out the brush size, gonna zoom in and erase it for more precise controls right here. Just gonna do that, erase these things. Okay, erase that thing as well, erase that thing, go around, decrease it, and then go around just like this as well. So just gonna erase it out just like that. And I'm going to increase the brush size again, erase out this part where the color is leaking a bit. I did a rough selection so that I can actually go around and do this later on, so it looks much more natural. All right, and then go around, and then there you go. There's a bit of a leak right here. Maybe I want the brush to be a bit more on the softer side as well. So I'm just going to decrease that out. All right, and then go around, erase this one part as well. Just gonna erase this one part out just like that. So doesn't need to be perfect because as we zoom out, it kind of looks okay. So just gonna erase these out as well, just like this. Okay, erase that out, and then zoom in, erase that out as well, just like this. Erase that part, and then erase the cheeks part out right over here, just like this. Okay, so I'm just going to go around and then zoom out now, and there you go. You can see that that part of the picture is color over here. So I need to change around and add in details to the other parts now. So just gonna go around and then decolor this. So I'm just going to go around onto the eraser. The eyes does not need to have the skin color, so let me just zoom in and erase that part out. So it actually does look like eyes right there. So it looks better just like that as I erase out this part. So I need to add in a bit of red onto the lips. So I'm just going to go around onto the background. I'm going to disable this layer right here. And then on the lips part, I'm just going to select it out with the pen tool now. So just going to go around and then select it out right here, just like this, so that I can create it onto a selection later on. I'm going to hold out, select this, press Alt, select that out, and press this as well, just like this. Just gonna go around and then go around onto the edge of the lips right here, just like this. Gonna go around, select that out, and then click over here as well, just like this. So once I do that, you can see that that part has been selected. So I'm just going to go around and then turn this into a selection. So I'm just going to go to the pen tool, right click, make selection. I'm going to have 3 pixel radius, and there you go. That's the selection now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on to selection area right here, right click, and say layer via copy. So another layer is created on the basis of this. So you can see that only the lips has been selected, just like that. And now I'm going to go to image and then go to adjustment, hue and saturation, colorize that part out. So that is going to be red, but not too red. I'm just going to decrease out the saturation, just like that. I don't need it to be very, very red right here, just like this, just a bit red over there. And there you go. So I'm just going to keep this on the top right there. And this actually does not look quite good. So I'm just going to go to I'm going to go to image adjustment, and I'm going to go to hue and saturation, colorize this out, change that out right here. That's too red, so just gonna decrease out the saturation. Gonna change that out a bit onto the skin color side right here, change that out, and there you go, right there. So this is how it looks now. You can see that it is a bit more red and much more natural, just like that. So I can go around and change a few things as well. So on to the background section, you can see that I'm going to go to hue and saturation, turn it completely black. So I'm just going to go around and not the lightness. I'm going to change the saturation so that it is black and not bright greenish right there. So I just need to change around the background now. So I'm just going to duplicate out the layer and going to go on to image adjustment, hue and saturation, and colorize this out. So you can see that the background is on the blue side now. So what I need to do is erase out the other parts. So I'm just going to go around, erase out over here the eye section, which kind of looks unnatural right here. I'm just going to erase that out, and then erase these part out as well. So erase these part out so it looks black, just like that. So gonna go around, erase that out as well, erase this, erase more of it, erase, 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 and there you go. It is much more cleaner. The background is blue, but that is fine. So just gonna select this. Yeah, that is erased out over here. Erase this out as well, erase this, and erase this out. Erase all of these, and there you go. Okay, erase these out over here, erase this, and there you go. That is what you have. Now you can see that there's error on the hair, so I'm just going to erase this part out as well, just like this. Erase these part out, and then there you go. All of the hairs has been corrected out as well. There's the blue lights effect right there, so that's fine, and there you go. This has been turned into a color photo just like this. So just gonna erase this part out on the bottom hand side as well. There you go. And this is how you turn a black and white photo onto a color photo by using Photoshop. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.